What have you learned about experience text?
Experience text is about telling our life events or encounters that happen.
Do you experience text important for us?
Yes, because it allows people to learn from real life situation, whether those experiences are their own or shared by others.
What is the most interesting thing during the personal tension?
The most interesting thing is the social function. There's a lot of functions include for experience text.
Give suggestion for the presentation.
The presentation is good, easy to understand.
What
Aku ngeditnya nanti di HP mu juga. Sebentar, aku ngeditnya di HP mu juga.
What have you learned about breakfast?
Biography is a detailed picture or description of a person's life. It includes facts such as how birth, childhood, education, career, relationship, family until death.
Do biography important for us?
Yes, because people can acknowledge someone who they want to know.
What is the most interesting thing during the presentation?
The most interesting thing is the language features. It uses the simple present tense and temporal sequence and temporal conjunction.
Give suggestion for the presentation.
The presentation is good and well explained.
What have you learned about procedure text?
Procedure text is a text that tells someone how to make or do something.
Do you procedure text is important for us?
Yes, because it helps people that having trouble doing something and they are looking for something like a tutorial to help them.
What is the most interesting thing during the presentation?
The most interesting thing is the definition of recipe and SOP.
Giving suggestion for the presentation.
The presentation is good, it's perfectly explained.
What have you learned about giving directions?
Asking direction is asking or requesting information from someone about certain location. Then giving direction is refers to act of providing information about a certain location.
Do you giving direction is important for us?
Yes, because if we don't know the location, we can ask somebody, and someone else, we have to answer them politely even though we didn't know the location.
What is the most interesting thing during the presentation?
The most interesting thing is they slow some phrase to show direction, example to go straight, on, turn left, turn right, etc.
Giving suggestions for the presentation.
The presentation is good, but sometimes the direction can make me confused.
What have you learned about table and schedule?
A table is an arrangement of information or data, usually in rows and columns, or perhaps in a more complex structure, and a schedule is an activity plan that contains lists and times.
Do table and schedule important for us?
Yes, because tables and schedules are important tools for organization, productivity, and clarity in both personal and professional life.
What is the most important thing during the presentation?
The most important thing is the language feature. Each subject has different language feature.
Giving suggestion for the presentation.
The presentation is nice, but a bit lack of explanation.
What have you learned about request?
Request is a text about asking for something, example write back, submit, etc.
Do requests important for you?
Yes, because it is a fundamental way we communicate our needs, wants, and intentions.
What is the most interesting the thing during the presentation?
The most interesting thing is structure. They explain all the structure for requests.
Giving presentation for the presentation.
The presentation is good, well explained.
What have you learned about personal requests?
A personal recount is a type of narrative text that tells about the writer's personal experience or event they have encountered.
Do personal requests important for us?
Yes, because it's for share stories or information about specific events that are important.
What is the most interesting thing during the presentation?
The most interesting thing is the general structure.
Giving suggestion about the presentation.
Most of the presentation is good.